Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of cherries. Ever wondered why cherries are more than just a sweet treat for your taste buds? Well, you're in for a juicy adventure as we dive into the wonderful world of cherries and uncover the amazing health benefits they bring to the table. So, grab a comfy seat, maybe a bowl of cherries, and get ready to explore the fantastic journey of how these little red wonders can make a big difference in your health and well-being. It's going to be as sweet as a cherry pie, so let's get started. Firstly, cherries are rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins and flavonoids, which help fight inflammation in the body. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with inflammatory conditions like arthritis. What's more, cherries, especially the tart ones, are like nature's gift for anyone seeking relief from pain. They're packed with powerful compounds, like anthocyanins and flavonoids, which are known to have excellent anti-inflammatory properties. When it comes to those sore muscles after a workout, or the discomfort from inflammatory conditions like arthritis, cherries can swoop in to the rescue. These compounds work by reducing the inflammation in your body, which is often the culprit behind many types of pain. And here's a cherry on top. Studies suggest that regularly incorporating cherries into your diet might help lessen muscle soreness, making your post-exercise recovery smoother. Moreover, your heart works hard for you every day, so it's essential to give it some extra love. Cherries, especially the deep red ones, are loaded with goodness that can benefit your heart. First up, they are packed with anthocyanins and quercetin, which are like shields that protect your heart from nasty free radicals. These antioxidants can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, keeping your heart healthy and happy. Cherries also contain potassium, a mineral that helps manage blood pressure. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is like giving your heart a relaxing spa day. It keeps things in balance and prevents unnecessary strain. Did you know? Cherries can be like your bedtime buddies for a night of sweet sleep. Sleep is like a magic potion for your body, and cherries might just be the secret ingredient to a restful slumber. These little red delights contain a natural dose of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. When you consume cherries or sip on some tart cherry juice, you're essentially giving your body a gentle nudge towards dreamland. And get this. Research suggests that regularly incorporating cherries into your diet might not only help you fall asleep, but also improve the quality and duration of your sleep. It's like a cherry lullaby for your body. Let's talk about brain health. Your brain is the command center of your body, and cherries might just be the fuel it needs to run at its best. Cherries are rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins and quercetin, which act as protective shields for your brain cells, guarding them against oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants are like brain superheroes, swooping in to combat those pesky free radicals that can potentially harm your brain cells and contribute to conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Cherries may also have the power to enhance your memory and cognitive function. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in cherries may help improve brain performance and delay age-related brain decline. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But wait, there is more. Your digestive system is like the engine that keeps your body running smoothly, and cherries can be the premium fuel it needs. They are a great source of dietary fiber, which is like a broom for your digestive tract, helping to keep things moving along and preventing constipation. Fiber is fantastic because it not only supports regular bowel movements, but also nourishes the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Cherries are also packed with water content, which aids in softening your stool and promoting a healthy digestive system. Hydration is key for a well-functioning digestive tract. The antioxidants in cherries might help reduce inflammation in your gut, providing relief to those dealing with digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome. Let's explore how cherries can be your natural ticket to a healthy, glowing complexion. These little red gems are packed with antioxidants, including vitamins A and C, which are like your skin's best friends. Vitamin A is fantastic for skin health, promoting cell turnover and keeping your skin soft and smooth. It's like the rejuvenation potion your skin craves, helping to fade dark spots and blemishes. And then we have vitamin C, which is like a superhero in the world of skincare. It supports collagen production, the protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful. Collagen is like the scaffolding for your skin, and cherries can help maintain its strength and integrity. Lastly, some studies suggest that cherries, particularly tart cherries, may have cancer-fighting properties due to their high antioxidant content. They may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. So folks, snack smart, embrace the cherry goodness, and let your health bloom. Here's to a cherrylicious, vibrant you. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.